my curls came back. Not only did her curls come back, they look all juicy and vibrant and juicy is this the word. So I washed her hair 3 times to make sure her scalp was clean. I'm just checking her scalp. Yeah, so I washed her hair with the clarifying. So I clarified her hair twice. Sorry for the lighting, but yeah, I clarified her hair with the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze with Lemongrass Extract. I washed her hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Straighten and Grow Shampoo. So I washed her hair once with this. So now I'm gonna follow up with this conditioner, and just with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner. And I might do a cocktail on her, so I might also. Did I bring it in here? So I'm gonna do a cocktail on her. I'm gonna use this avocado cream moisture repairing mask by Alícia Natural, and then I'm gonna allow this to sit for a few minutes. I like to separate the hair in 4 sections through the conditioning phase because I'm about to do the box braids, of course. So I just want to make sure her hair gets all the moisture that it needs. I already added the Shea Moisture Jamaican conditioner to her hair already. So now I just want to add this Alícia Natural mask to her hair. My favorites. So I'm using that much. I mean, you don't have to do all of this, but I like to do this right now. So I'm gonna rinse our hair out in these twists. The reason why I'm doing a twist like this is because when I'm rinsing it out, they're already twisted. I can just go ahead and start blow drying the hair.